Hi, you're welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to be looking at income inequality. Income inequality, like when people in a particular country do not earn the same amount of money. And it is common, it is very common, because it's very hard for everyone in a particular country to be earning the same amount of money. It's actually impossible. So income equality doesn't exist, but there is always income inequality. Yeah, so we are going to have an example. Like maybe we have two different countries. Two different countries with two people. So we are going to consider two people in two different countries. We have country A and then we have country B. So in country A we have the first person who is 1 and then 2. Even here we have the first person and the second person, like that. So in country A, the first person earns $1,000 per year. Then the second person is earning $90,000 per year. So in order for us to get the average income for these people in country A, we get 1,000 plus 99,000, which is $10,000 divided by 2. What we get is 50,000, and that is the average income. That's the average income of country A. Then when we go to country B, the first person earns $50,000 per year. Then the second one earns also $50,000 per year. In order for us to get the average income, we get this plus this divided by 2, which is 10,000 divided by 2. So it is $50,000. So these two countries have the same average income, but when you go and look at the details, like this person is earning way more less compared to this person, but these people are earning the same amount of money. But when we are using the average income method, like both countries have the same average income. So just by looking at the averages, we cannot measure income inequality. So just by looking at this and this, you can't know which country has income inequality and which one doesn't. So this is what the Italian statistician Corrado Gini tried to address by coming up with a Gini coefficient to measure inequality of a nation. So we are going to look at the Gini coefficient that measures inequality of a nation. So no nation is actually perfect. So the reality is income inequality. There is always income inequality. So income inequality is measured by drawing the Lorenz curve. So this is how the curve is. It is like this. Like this. This is the x-axis. We have, it starts from 0% to 100%. And on the x-axis we have the cumulative percentage of the population. Then on the y-axis we have the cumulative percentage of income in the country, like that. So when there is no income inequality in the country, that will be a perfect straight line. A line like that one. This line represents a perfectly equal society. Then, but as we said, like, there is no nation that is actually perfect. So when we look at the reality, it's the reality that gives us the Lorenz curve. So this that comes in here, this is the Lorenz curve. It is the Lorenz curve, and the difference between the Lorenz curve and this perfect line, it's what we call the Gini coefficient. It is the measure of income inequality. This area here, it is the Gini coefficient, or the measure of income inequality. So this is the Lorenz curve, and this is what income inequality is all about. So when they tell you to draw the Lorenz curve, they'll give you the population, the percentage of the population, then they'll give you also the percentage of the income. So let's take an assumption: population, then income. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here you just have to come up with 2 more columns, one for cumulative population and one for cumulative income. Like that. So for cumulative population, you take for the first one, the 1 comes here. Then for the second one, 1 plus this, it is 3. Then 3 plus 3, it is 6. 6 plus 4, it is 10. 10 plus 5, it is 15. 15 plus 6, it is 21. Then even for income, the 1 comes here. Then for the second one, 1 plus that, it is 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus that, 10. 15. Then 21. So these figures are what you use to plot the Lorenz curve. So the 0 starts from here, then the 100% starts from here. So cumulative population will be on the x-axis, and cumulative income will be on the y-axis. So when you're plotting these ones, you start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that, up to here. Yeah. Then for cumulative income, 1, 2, like that. So you plot. Yeah. So that's how we deal with income inequality, and that's how we deal with Lorenz curve.